Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you.
I found this great stepping stone at Dollar Tree the other day and one of these new candle holders. It's a taper candle holder. As you can see, I kind of want to do mine upside down because it's going to have a flatter surface to be able to glue to the Dollar Tree stepping stone. What I want to do is make a little candle holder, a little bee candle holder for a candle. Now, I'm not completely sure this resin is heat safe, so take that into consideration if you're going to use a real candle like I did. I found that they had these in yellow, white, and purple, I think, these new stepping stones with the bees on them. They had a lot of styrofoam here on the outer edges to keep it from chipping, but I did notice that mine did still have chips a little bit here and there. So I have a bright yellow paint. I'm just going to go around and kind of touch up any of the areas where you see a little bit of the white coming through. And it's a little small for a stepping stone. I find that the Dollar Tree stepping stones are usually pretty small. They are really cute though and decorative. And I think when I saw this, I just thought, ooh, that'd be a great candle holder. So once I get it touched up, I did notice that my bees were painted pretty good. There was one here that needed a little bit of a touch up. So just going to use some yellow and black paint to touch that up. The candle holder is already black, so it's perfect. I don't have to do anything to that. And I want a strong glue. So I went around with some Gorilla Glue, and this is the bottom of the candlestick. And then I add some hot glue too. And I'm going to glue that together with the stepping stone. I knew I would need like a heavy duty glue like that since I am gluing on the stepping stone and I want this to be sturdy because I'm actually going to put a real candle on mine. The candle that I chose is one of the honeycomb candles from Dollar Tree. I thought that'd be perfect for the bee theme. If you want to be safe, you could always use one of the Dollar Tree candle holders like that and put it on there like that. But I really wanted you to be able to see the honeycomb on here. So I'm going to do mine without the candle holder so you can kind of see the honeycomb. So this is the candle. I'm going to center it right here on the top of the flower. I put a little hot glue on the bottom of my candle so it would stay put, and I love these candles. I've seen these in, this is kind of a more of a honey color, but I've seen them in like yellow and white as well. Any of them I think would look really cute on here, or just a white candle would look fine too. But I thought this made a really fun little bee candle holder. It was so easy to put together. Just a couple items from the Dollar Tree and some glue. It seems like it's a perfect size scale for this as well. And I really like those new wood candle holders like that. They have a little bit different shape than the ceramic one.